ChordArt, Transeptal Neochordal System for Precise Mitral Valve Repair. The ChordArt implant consists of a distal and proximal anchor, which are connected by a suture. It is designed to enable the minimally invasive replacement of ruptured or elongated chordae causing mitral valve regurgitation. The ChordArt system is brought into the left atrium through a transfemoral, transeptal anterograde approach. The steerability allows the device to be precisely maneuvered to face the mitral valve. The grasper is guided to face the respective part of the leaflet using fluoro and echo guidance, and is then closed to grasp the leaflet. The integrated needle punctures the leaflet. When the needle has been successfully guided towards the papillary muscle, the muscle is also punctured. Then, the needle is completely retracted. The sleeve is also retracted, allowing the distal anchor to be released inside the papillary muscle. The sleeve and the implant holder are retracted further, dispensing the suture. When the proximal anchor reaches the atrial surface of the leaflet, it is released. Finally, the grasper is opened to release the leaflet. The chorda is replaced by the ChordArt implant, restoring mitral valve function.